Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Steam game not launching. In order to fix Steam game not launching, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there are a couple of things you could try in order to fix it. The number one step, what you want to do is make sure that the application is completely closed or that not many application is running in the background. So to check this out, you want to go to the show hidden icon. As you can see, I have a lot of applications running at the background. So right click on exit, and do the same thing with the rest of the other application and exit it. And this should be able to help you out. Next, you also want to make sure that Steam is not running. So you want to completely close Steam. Go to Task Manager by right clicking on the mouse anywhere at the bottom of the screen. Then you want to locate Steam. If you see so, right click and click on End Task. Once you've done it so, restart your PC and see whether the issue has been solved or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, open your Steam application. Next, you want to click on the Steam icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and from the drop down list go to Settings. As you go to Settings, here you want to come to the Download section, and then you want to go to Clear Download Cache. So click on Clear Cache. Now this might log you out of your account, so make sure that you know your credential. So click on Confirm and see whether the issue is being solved or not. The other thing you also want to do is come to the Steam from the top right and go to the library from the top right hand side corner. Locate the particular game that you're having issue with, right click and go to Properties. When you go to Properties, you want to locate File Integrity or Game Integrity and locate whether there is any sort of issue with the file or not. However, if the issue still persists on, then the last alternative is to simply go ahead and uninstall Steam and reinstall the updated version. That's going to help you out to fix the issue all at once. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.